Broke but need email marketing? Here's which free plan won't leave you crying. Before we dive in, click the link below for exclusive discounts on both platforms. Trust me, your wallet will thank you later. I'm Alexandra, and I've tested both AWeber and GetResponse free plans, so you don't have to suffer through the disappointment yourself. Let's start with AWeber. Their free plan gives you 500 subscribers and 3,000 emails per month. Sounds decent, right? Well, here's the catch. You get basic templates that look like they're from 2010. But, hey, at least the drag-and-drop editor works without making you want to throw your laptop out the window. GetResponse takes a different approach. You get 500 contacts, but only 2,500 emails monthly. The real winner here? Their templates actually look professional, and their automation features don't require a computer science degree. AWeber's customer support is solid, but GetResponse gives you landing pages and webinars even on the free plan. Bottom line? If you want pretty emails and don't mind slightly fewer sends, go GetResponse. If you prioritize email volume and reliable delivery, AWeber's your friend. Either way, you won't be crying into your ramen noodles. Click that link below to grab your discount and start building your empire, one email at a time.